Earl Township in the area of 165 Skyline Drive, an investigation. Caller saying there was a explosion of some type in the area, claiming the entire house shook and that the neighbors are all outside checking. Caller doesn't see anything, doesn't know the source of the noise.
Earl Township, in the area of 165 Skyline Drive, an outside investigation. Engine 39-1 in 1918.
39-3, got another call saying that after the noise, someone saw some smoke rising, possibly from a farm off of Eastern School Road.
We were on a farm at Eastern School Road, and they had exploding target shooting, so that's the problem.
37-1 from Truck 39. Do you have an address?
Yeah, 126 Eastern School Road, and everything's 10-4. They just had some target practice.